Did you know that 70% of viral travel videos on YouTube are faceless? No cameras, no actors, just breathtaking visuals and captivating storytelling. But how do you craft these masterpieces without breaking the bank? Meet DeepSeek, your AI-powered secret weapon. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate compelling scripts with DeepSeek R1. Start by using DeepSeek's R1 model to brainstorm and write your video script. Its deep thinking mode breaks down complex prompts into structured narratives. For example, first prompt: top 10 must-see tourist attractions in the United States. DeepSeek will analyze and tell me why these are the 10 places. Second prompt: I am a YouTube video creator. Please help me generate a travel video for the United States. It should be about 30 seconds. The main body must include the top 10 must-see tourist attractions in the United States mentioned above. It must have a shocking bird's eye view so that people will want to travel there. Then generate AI painting prompts and animation prompts for each picture. DeepSeek will generate a script with scene descriptions, voiceover text, AI painting prompt, and animation prompt. Pro tip: use the Role plus Task plus Requirements framework for precise outputs. Step 2. Create AI voiceovers without hiring a narrator. Using tools like *11 Labs * to convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers. You can find 11 Labs link in the description for you faster access. Open 11 Labs, copy the voiceover, choose one voiceover, and hit Generate. Step 3. Generate visual images. Open Pixelman AI, click Launch App, then click Create on the right. Set the image ratio to 16:9. Select the model Pixelman Art V1. Copy the prompt, hit Generate. Generate images one by one until all images are generated. Download to the computer. Step 4. Bring images to life. Here we are going to use Kling Eye to bring the images to life. Step 5. Edit and polish with CapCut. Open. CapCut. Import all the video clips, voiceover, and background music. Drag the video clip and voiceover into the timeline. Adjust the size of the video clip. Adjust the speed of the video clip to match the voiceover. Add transition effects and filters. Create subtitles. Add background music. Export the video.
Welcome to the United States, a land of endless wonders. Let's explore the top 10 must-see attractions that will leave you breathless. Start with the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon, a natural masterpiece carved over millions of years. Next, the iconic Statue of Liberty, standing tall as a symbol of freedom and hope. Witness the raw power of Yellowstone's geothermal wonders, like the legendary Old Faithful. Step into history at the National Mall, where America's past and present converge. Experience the magic of Walt Disney World, where dreams come to life. Marvel at the Golden Gate Bridge, an engineering marvel set against the stunning San Francisco Bay. Feel the energy of the Las Vegas Strip, where the lights never dim and the fun never stops. Behold the sheer power and beauty of Niagara Falls, a natural wonder shared with Canada. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of New Orleans' French Quarter, where jazz fills the air. End your journey at Mount Rushmore, where history is carved into the mountains. The United States awaits. Pack your bags and explore these unforgettable destinations.
How is it? Is it okay? Wait! The previous one is a long-form video, but if for YouTube Shorts, let's find it out.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything.
Imagine creating a viral world travel video without booking a flight. DeepSeek just made it possible. Smash that like button and supers button to buy me a coffee. And let me know in the comments, which blow your mind for AI magic to next? Don't forget to subscribe for more AI magic. See you in the next tutorial.